Creating an automated Windows 11 installation USB unattended install in 2025 involves preparing a bootable USB drive with the Windows 11 installation files and adding a customized autounattend.xml file to automate the setup process. Here's a step-by-step updated guide for 2025. Get the tools. You need USB drive, at least 8 GB, Windows 11 ISO. Download it from Microsoft, http:/.microsoft.com/software download-Windows 11. Rufus. Download here. Rufus iNotepad, already included in Windows. Step 1. Download Windows 11 ISO. Go to the Microsoft download page. Download the Windows 11 ISO. Choose the latest version for 2025. Save it to your PC. Step 2. Boot from USB and install Windows 11. Insert the USB into the PC where you want to install Windows 11. Restart the PC and enter the BIOS/boot menu. Press F12, delete, or F2, depending on your motherboard during startup. In the boot menu, set USB drive as the first boot device. Save changes and exit. Windows 11 installation process begins. Your PC will boot from the USB and show the Windows 11 setup screen. Select language, time, and keyboard layout and click Next. Click Install Now. Step 3. Use Rufus to create a bootable USB. In Rufus, device, select your USB. Boot selection. Click Select. Choose the Windows 11 ISO you downloaded. Image option. Choose Extended Installation. Skips TPM plus MS account. Partition scheme. GPT file system, NTFS. Click Start and wait for it to finish. Final test. Try the USB on a real or virtual PC. If it works, Windows installs without any clicks. Your user account is ready. It logs in automatically. Any extra scripts or apps you added are executed. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a like, share it with someone who needs it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.